So here we have the Inkly 176 piece extra thick black pegboard hook set. So this is a heavy duty metal pegboard hook set, and this is great for garage wall organizers, tool organizers, and what I use it for is going to be my power wall in my YouTube studio. What is a power wall? Well, it's a wall that I put pegboard, and I use these hooks to attach cables, camera equipment above my workbench area so I could shoot videos for YouTube and other content. And it comes in super handy with in a reach. I have a power base where I could plug in all my USB drives and electrical connections. So all this is right in front of me, and I use it to organize my pegboard power wall space. Now, why are these hooks better than the average hooks that are already used? Well, these are heavy duty, which hold up to 100 pounds in weight. It has a variety and more than enough pieces to complete a set, and maybe even for 2 pegboard units. 176 pieces is a lot of organizing. And these are 3 times thicker and stronger than the others. Now, the pegboard holes are all standard size, and the Inkly just fits much better in the holes, leaving less wiggle room, meaning it's more stable. And it comes in black, which complements my black pegboard, and it also could be a great contrast to any other color, especially white pegboard. So this is great for heavy duty tool organization, to cable management and camera equipment and whatever you need for chargers and such. It keeps the clutter out of the desk drawers. It keeps the clutter off the desktop table and your computer table. So this is ideal for storage and workbench, craft room, and kitchen and basement storage solutions. Just imagine this in your garage, your tool shed, or even in commercial settings like a factory or a warehouse. For me, this is basically one-stop shopping for everything you need for heavy-duty pegboards and for heavy-duty attachments featuring 3 times extra thick. That makes a huge difference in stability and wiggle room. So this is why this is a great choice for your pegboard organization solutions. And the heavy duty 3 times thick is what makes it for me.